portal is the page that gives you an overview of everything that's important in your business at that particular point in time. So it gives you access to any tasks that are due this week. It allows you to quickly log down some notes. So I could add, let's call it a new note. And if I make it critical, it's disappeared from there because I've filled in some information, but what you'll find is it's now in the reminders section here so that you can access it there and then. If you then change it to be linked to a project, etc., so as you progress that task, it will fall into the appropriate view for that task. So this portal, the business portal section, is just really about what you need to do now. If you need to find out stuff that's happening, what you need to work on at this point in time, this is the place to go. So you can look at what's due this week for the tasks, and you can check your progress of the projects. You can see what contacts are overdue. So this currently is set to 1 month. You can change the filter to be 1 week, whatever your level needs to be. And you can look at reminders. So at the moment we've got critical, but there's overdue tasks, reminders in general, outstanding issues, and things that are on hold. So these are all just tasks. They're all just different views of tasks within the system. And it's just about what view you prefer to see, but you will see the tasks. So if you want to focus on what you should be working on at this point in time, hopefully this view of your tasks should give you that information. The data or the information that's shown on here, whilst there are client-specific information, so there can be tasks for a client that could be displayed here. So this is a task that's in Project A for Client A. All of these tasks are tasks that are internal to your business. So if you have created your client and in a shared workspace for that client has a project started, then the tasks within that project will be visible to the client in that workspace, and you will need to go into that workspace to view those tasks. This only displays the information that's internal to you, so not shared with the client itself. And if you want to share project work with the client, you have to do it on the client-specific workspace. Just worth bearing that in mind. And that is the same for all of the navigational elements within the hub. Anything shared with the client has to be on it in the client-specific workspace, so that you don't risk sharing other client details with other clients.